It's not age that slows you down, it's deficiency. If you are over 60 and your legs are struggling to carry you, you need to know that this is not just a matter of aging. New scientific research shows that taking 3 simple vitamins before bed can increase muscle strength, improve balance, and reduce leg pain. And the most surprising part? These vitamins are affordable, natural, and more effective than anything you'll ever see advertised. Vitamin number 1, B12, essential for nerve and muscle connection. Vitamin B12 facilitates communication between your nerves and muscles. As you age, this communication weakens, leading to impaired balance, increased tingling, and cramps in the legs. Older adults with B12 deficiency have a 3-fold higher risk of falling. The methylcobalamin form taken under the tongue before bed is quickly absorbed and begins repairing your nerves throughout the night. Vitamin number 2, D3, the secret key to muscle strength. Vitamin D3 isn't just for bones. It plays a crucial role in muscle repair, reducing inflammation, and lowering the risk of nighttime cramps. However, as we age, our skin loses its ability to produce D3. Studies show that taking vitamin D3 before bed increases leg strength by 19% and reduces the risk of falls by 34%. Take 2,000 to 4,000 IU with a small fatty snack, e.g., a few almonds or yogurt. Vitamin number 3, K2, MK7 form. Direct calcium. Properly. Vitamin K2 directs calcium to the bones and prevents it from accumulating in soft tissues. This means that arteries do not harden and joints do not ache. It also activates muscle repair genes and supports glucose metabolism. When taken with D3, its effects are amplified. Taking K2 before bed can restore muscle memory, improve balance, and set the stage for a strong morning. So, what should your nighttime routine look like? 30 minutes before bed, take B12, sublingual on an empty stomach. At the same time, take D3 plus K2 with a small, fatty snack. 5 minutes of light leg exercises, heel raises, ankle circles, sit to stand. Don't forget to drink water throughout the day. Keep your dinner light. Every night you sleep with these 3 vitamins, your legs are quietly healing. These vitamins aren't magical, but when used at the right time and in the right way, they unlock your body's own healing power. How old are you, and do you use these vitamins? Hit subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one. Stay healthy.